feeling is that the broker situation is not going to leave for a long, long time. Like we're ingesting data now. We have a lot of data points. I think it's going to be a hybrid situation for maybe indefinitely, because the broker, the intuition and knowledge and experience that the broker offers, or a vessel manager, for instance, I don't see that it being replaced now by like data models. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, and maybe there's some company out there that's doing this, but I just don't see it happening. I see a hybrid situation where the broker or the operator gets information that's value added in their decision-making process.
Yeah, I think if data could get rid of the broker, they would have done it, right? The broker serves a lot of different roles. Like one is just sentiment, right? How fast does someone call you back? How was the tonality of their voice, right? How tough was this guy acting on the negotiation? Normally, he's not that bullish, right? Those types of things. And also having someone to blame. You need to have someone to take the fall. But hey, the broker.
Yeah.
So having that middleman is kind of like if you own a property, having a property manager, there's a line between you and the tenant. And there's somewhere for that risk to fall, that liability to fall. So the brokers also fill that need. But from the data aspect, brokers are standing always on the most. They have the most information because they're literally the conduit between charter and owner. And then oftentimes they're worldwide, so they see the complete picture. Even if they're not fixing the ships, they see the quotes. They kind of see the demand, and then they see the supply from the ships. And so
they've always been uniquely positioned in that way. And I think, I don't know my history that well, but I think originally brokers were there to create some sort of a connection between the owner and the charterer. Because like a long time ago, they only had like wire, doing the Morse code or whatever.
Yeah.
And they needed somebody positioned there to be able to book a vessel if they needed to. The ship owner wasn't physically there where the charterer was at. But today, so it's morphed into more of like a collaborative role, bringing the two parties together. That role's never, I would say it's never going to disappear. But also, they're unique in a way that brokers still have access to information. They can collect information from all the counterparties and do risk assessments. And I think they do that anyway, like in their minds. But I see the broker role as morphing into maybe a hybrid role going forward, or maybe a data services role in the future. I don't know if we're there yet, but I think it's inevitable because brokers have always used technology. I mean, they use a wire Morse code thing. They've used telephones. They've used all these different tools. And the next natural step is to create some sort of platform where they can bring the counterparties together in a sort of hybrid fashion.
Yeah, brokers are the ultimate analyst. They're analyzing the market. They're analyzing, their customers on both ends. And it's not just having the information; it's how they communicate that information to both sides.
And I think generationally too, we're getting more savvy with information, like Gen X now, millennials. I think people are they're not scared of data anymore. They're not scared of like getting information or large amounts of information. Like we can handle it now. So I think that kind of, what's the word? Like we're better able to absorb these large data points and make some sort of outcome from these. Anyway, you know what I mean.